triple berry cream cheese shortcake. I'm gonna make a cream cheese topping that I'm then gonna swirl into it to make a really beautiful design. I do need my glasses for measuring for this because we just need 6 ounces of this cream cheese. And this is pre-softened, and I'm going to be mixing it with some sugar and an egg white. So I'm just gonna get this in pieces in here so it's a little bit easier to mix together. All right, now we need an egg white. So I'm gonna separate the egg. What the egg white's gonna do is help the cream cheese to stay together so it doesn't blend and melt in to the rest of the shortcake batter, because I wanna be able to see the cream cheese and see the swirl. We need a little bit of sugar, 3 tablespoons. Let's mix that up. Just to get it started and soften it up. Okay, let's put this to the side. Now, take my glasses off. Now we need some wet ingredients. So we're gonna get 1 stick of butter in here, 1/2 cup of sugar. Let's cream these guys up. And as soon as your butter and sugar blend together and cream, that's when the egg goes in and the vanilla. Turn it down just a little bit. Egg goes in. Time for a little bit of vanilla. As soon as this incorporates, I'm gonna start with the dry ingredients, which is 1½ cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I'm gonna turn it down and start spooning in the flour. Now I'm just gonna alternate between the flour and the milk. Okay, time for 1/2 of this milk. More flour. Now it's time for the rest of it. Just a couple go-arounds and it's done. Okay, so let's get the pan. Got it already pre-sprayed. For me, besides tasting everything I cook, really part of the fun is styling the food. So a little key to food styling is to just zhuzh it up, but not too much. You don't want to go overboard. So this cream cheese topping is going to help zhuzh it up a bit. So I'm going to spoon the topping all around, just little dollops. Okay, now start swirling and go back and forth through everything, and it makes it all pretty. The oven's at 350 degrees. This is going to go in for 30 minutes. Time for some sweet. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put the shortcake. I'm gonna put the shortcake together.
Somebody's excited.
Oh, can you grab that for me?
Yes.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
This almost looks like a cheesecake.
Because there's cream cheese on top of it.
There you go.
I made this beautiful triple berry topping to go on top of this. So if you want to put this middle guy right on that,
Okay.
I will get the berries that I made earlier.
Okay.
In a large bowl, combine 6 cups of mixed berries, like blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and the zest of 1 orange. Gently toss so all the berries are coated and let it stand, gently stirring occasionally until all the sugar has dissolved and the mixture is juicy. Some of the raspberries will break down, and this takes about an hour. Refrigerate until you're ready to go. All right. Oh! Look at those gorgeous berries.
Those are just perfect.
Oh, that's pretty.
That is pretty.
1 little red berry in there for color.
Oh, yeah, it makes
So
the plate
now
sparkle.
I want to get a really beautiful dollop. Just give it a plop and then twist it up there.
Oh,
wow.
that is perfect.
I just want a little bit.
Come on. That is
Seriously.
too
Look at
pretty
that.
to eat. You got a fork?
That's it. Go! Oh, get out of here. Oh my God.
That is great.
The
That is
shortcake is
so
usually this
refreshing.
dry biscuit thing.
Yeah.
This is so much better.